Searching skin deep. This local researcher is partly responsible for the latest revelation about melanomas and associated gene mutation in Kiwis.
South Islanders are different to the North Islanders because they have a higher rate of NRAS mutations in the DNA of the melanomas. So that is a real surprise to us because we were not expecting South Islanders to be any different from the North Island or from the rest of the world.
An Otago-led team of academics completed the first comprehensive genetic analysis of melanoma in New Zealand. More than 500 patients from throughout the country were tested over the last 5 years. The most common type of mutation in New Zealand is also the most common overseas, and rates don't really vary nationally. But with the NRAS gene, mutations were found in 38% of South Islanders and just 21% of North Islanders.
I think it has to be something to do with the environment, and it's most likely to do with the radiation, the sun's radiation.
Professor Eccles says the North Island rate is similar to that in other countries, but the higher occurrence in the South Island sticks out like a sore thumb. It's not a good look for the area or its residents.
But these NRAS mutations are making the skin seem older, or they're equivalent to the skin being older. So I think that says that in the South Island we should be very concerned about the amount of sun exposure that we're getting in certain parts of the year.
New treatments are being investigated for the uncommon mutation, but none have been developed as yet. Rosie Mannins, 39, Dunedin News.